I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting and prepping the clip. Check for cracks, missing padding, and a small zero. 1 mm gap tolerance so it seals without pinching. Once done, clean it with mild soap and rinse. Make sure it dries fully to prevent odor and material breakdown. Now gently squeeze and adjust tension, then place it on your nose for a short, dry fit. This early fit sets the comfort level and prevents surprises once you enter the water. You now refine the seal and comfort for active swimming. Place the clip over your nostrils and align the pads symmetrically so pressure is even. Unequal alignment causes leaks or pain. Make short breath hold tests on land and in shallow water to confirm a seal, then tweak tension or add a thin silicone pad if necessary. For long training sets, consider a soft lanyard or swim tape to keep the clip secure and reduce constant readjusting while you focus on technique. You finish by maintaining the clip and knowing fixes. Rinse it after every session and store it away from direct sun and heat to prevent warping and loss of tension. If you notice leakage, persistent pain, or material fatigue, replace the clip or its pads promptly to avoid injury or ineffective sealing. If small leaks appear, try reseating the clip or adding a thin silicone strip between pad and skin as a quick fix. If problems persist, swap the clip for a new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.